Hello everybody, I'd like to introduce you to my friend here. This is Domino. A couple years ago I was grooming him and he tends to not like too much when you go under his belly, like, oh, easy bud, under his belly, right under here. His ears will go back and it's uncomfortable to him. So I started to sing him this song and he calmed down a little bit. I think over the years he's calmed down quite a bit. He's got a little bit older. But this is the Domino song. We'll see if he sticks around to listen to it. Oh, Domino is an old horse. He's the father of 2 sons. His ears will go on straight back when with the lead rope you come. Oh, Domino, you know it's time to go out on the trails, then Zazu will be bells. Oh, Domino, you know it's time to go. Forget about your cares. Let me groom your hairs. No, don't kick me, no, don't bite me. Don't you whip me with your tail. Just wanna clean your belly and put a saddle on your back. Oh, Domino, you know it's time to go out on the trails, then Zazu will be bells. Oh, Domino, you know it's time to go. Forget about your cares. Let me groom your hairs. Oh, Domino is a strong horse. He's broken many ropes. But when you get on his back, he is one docile dope. Oh, Domino, you know it's time to go out on the trails, then Zazu will be bells. Oh, Domino, you know it's time to go. Forget about your cares. Let me groom your hairs.